found the service absolutely amazing. I'm over the moon, so buzzing with the results that I've got. It's been so professional, so clean, everything has been spot on. I haven't got a bad word to say about Antlara or Teeth Shine at all. I found you through Instagram, back home in the UK, so if you're thinking about looking into getting your teeth done in Turkey, please message them. They're 100% efficient, so professional, and you'll really be happy with the results. Antlara Clinic is one of the best clinics and dentists I've ever seen, even compared back to the UK. The service that they provide you is second from none. You will not get this kind of treatment back in the UK. I come a few weeks ago and had a bit of whitening done on my teeth. And while I was here, I made the decision that I was coming back to get full upper and lower veneers. And I am so happy that I made the decision and went forward and ahead with it. Dr. Dalik is amazing. What she does is phenomenal. You will not regret it. I recommend you to everyone. Every one of my friends through Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, I've been telling them, they've been messaging me, where did you get your teeth done? They look amazing. And I've been telling them, you have to message Teeth Shine Turkey and Antlara Clinic. Thank you.